Oh. Ano ba yan?
Hello, guys!
Don't cry!
Mabuhay! We are Beanie!
And this is
I See You with Baobab!
I See You.
Looking at
Looking
Mati,
at
I see.
Let's see each other clearly with fresh eyes and an open mind.
Aww.
Each member gets a turn to pick a card.
Let's celebrate who we are as we allow ourselves to see and be seen.
Okay, I go first, okay.
Okay, go, Mix.
Who is the person that has supported you leading up to or throughout your Beanie journey?
Your mom.
Yes, you're correct. Yeah, I would say my whole family. Parang madaming times, di ba, na iiyak tayo and all. Tapos binibideo call na lang natin yung
Yeah. Ay, oo,
family
lagi ka
members
video call.
natin para they made me realize that I should stay instead of leaving. Okay, next.
I second.
Gwenny.
What Beanie song best describes your life right now? Like, right now, at this very moment. Kapit lang.
Secret.
Kapit lang.
Hindi mo
Me? Feeling ko karera. Kasi feeling ko kailangan natin i-remind sarili natin na life is not a race.
Okay, Ate Aya, your turn.
What advice or message do you think your 80-year-old future self would give you today?
Enjoy your life. Never be scared.
Live your life.
To the fullest.
Don't let yourself be controlled.
Ay!
By who?
Keep doing what you're doing and don't be pressured.
What has stayed constant for you that keeps you grounded?
For me, the people I surround myself with. My family, Beanie, the Beanie team.
Beanie Joanna.
Yes.
Look at a person beside you and tell them a memory that you hold on to dearly with them.
To the right, to the left.
O, dyan muna silang makulit.
Ayan. To the left, to the left.
Nung nag-Cubao Expo tayo. After baby concert. Ako, lahat ng chismis na meron tayo. Ako kay Jo, nung kasabay kita sa audition, parang sa lahat ng callback, ikaw lagi yung kasama ko. Ayun. So, kayong dyan.
Ako, kay Bebe, our pufferfish moment.
Sa lahat? Sa lahat?
That's it? That shallow?
With Ate Aya, you know, sa...
Nung nag-deep talks, alam ko na, nag-deep
Okay, your member sa, Beanie House. We slept sa rooftop.
Yes!
We talked until the sun...
Son of
Reason.
My favorite memory of you.
Alam ko yan. Feeling ko alam ko yan. Ano yan? Yung nag-bike. First time namin mag-bike ni Gwen sa Makati. Tapos sa highway. Kasi yung kahit na kinakabahan ako dun sa bike ko kasi matagal lang din nag-bike. Wala akong choice. We're like rockstar. Kasi si Ate Aya nandun siya sa gitna so wala akong choice kundi sundan siya. Kahit na yung pawis ko ang lamig-lamig na. Yung sa amin ni Mika siguro yung sa Canada.
Taray na, ibang bansa. Yung memory.
Ako kay Ate Maloy. Nung birthday ni Ate Maloy.
Siya yung organizer.
Hindi, oo, ako yung nag-organize. Kasi parang sabi ko, ano ba yung sad naman na ito? Ba't tayo wala tayong gagawin sa birthday? Tapos parang doon tayo nag-open up lalo, lahat.
If you met your past self before Beanie, what advice would you give to her?
Just you do you.
Oh.
Kasi dadating talaga yung Beanie.
Sana kayanin mo. Yeah.
Never stop dreaming.
I-try mo lahat ng yung mga pinagbabawal sa'yo before. Gawin mo na
Grabe
lahat.
yung pinagbabawal.
Oh my gosh, rebel na rebel.
Gawin mo na lahat. Ako bahala sa'yo. Niligtas kita kay Jonah Robles.
Me, don't be shy. But I'm still shy. Pero lessen your shyness.
You will be shocked, but you will be, singer, dancer, rapper.
Sheesh! Huwag ka masyadong seryoso. Stay open-minded.
She's open-minded. So, sa first round natin, anong na-feel nyo?
Medyo intense na yung first round for
Yes.
the
Kaya
first
nga
round.
So, sa round 2,
Iyakan.
iyakan.
Iyakan na ba? First question is, in what way has your friendship with Beanie been a safe space for you? Feeling ko, sa tagal na namin magkakasama, we already showed our most vulnerable self na hindi na namin kailangan mag-pretend. Throughout the years, we grew together and parang minahal na namin yung flaws namin and yun yung nag-keep sa amin para maging stronger throughout the years. And I hope magpatuloy pa na ganito na chill lang, without judgment, mature, and may respect sa kanya-kanyang buhay.
Okay, what is something that you would like Beanie to be remembered for? Feeling ko pag gusto ko na maalala yung Beanie sa mga, pag lumaki na yung mga generation yun. Yung Beanie sila yung matatapang na mga babae. True talaga sila. Alam mo yung hindi nawawala yung character nila, kung ano sila dati.
Unapologetic selves as we are right now. What's your biggest challenge right now and how can your group be there for you? Oh my God!
Ito pa sa kanya pa na po tayo yung
Siyempre, hindi naman madali yung buhay natin ngayon. Aminin natin. Pero, ako, honestly, walang halong biro. Every time na may work kinabukasan, parang na-excite ako palagi. Hindi ako napapagod kapag kayong kasama ko, promise. Kasi parang, alam mo yun, parang magkakasama tayo, parang ang gaan-gaan palagi.
What is something that you've been learning about yourself as you're going through the journey with Beanie? Feeling ko kaya ko palang magsalita, kaya ko mag-voice out. Kasi before
bunso ka.
before Beanie, parang
Only child.
Only
oo,
child,
parang kung ano lang yung sabihin sa akin, yun lang yung susundin ko. Tanggap lang ako ng tanggap. Kahit labag sa values ko. Pero ngayon, I learned to be decisive. I learned to speak up.
Parang feeling ko kasi sobrang ibang-iba yung kung sino ako sa before Beanie. Maliban sa introvert ako at introvert ngayon. Pero sobrang kaya ko palang maging ganito. Ka-jolly, kadaldal, kaingay, kakulit. May something changed, something shifted here, and feeling ko I found my truest form. This is my truest form.
Ako, same din. Dito ko nalabas yung OA side. Kasi before Beanie, I'm very
Oo,
serious.
ganyan,
I don't
kami.
cry. I became emotional here.
Is that a good thing? Is that a good or bad
Emotional
sign?
wreck here.
What is a fond moment or memory that reminds you of why you do what you do with Beanie? Feeling ko yung moment na to, yung talaga nag-remind sa akin kung ba't ako nandito, like sa Beanie, nung nag-shutdown yung AWES. Tapos, akala namin, sa liligwakin kami. Tapos sinabi na, we're gonna continue. Kasi nga, di ba, trainee pa lang kami nung wala pa kami naambag. Pero pinaglaban kami ni Direk. So, feeling ko at that moment, mas naging porsigido ako na, okay, dahil ang daming naniwala, we're gonna do our best and we're gonna show them ba't kami worth na magstay. Nanginginig na ako.
Ayan, nung nag-distribute kami ng mga flyers about Beanie, tapos tinatapon nila, tapos, wait till you see.
Nung nag-release kami ng Karera, nung sinabi na like nakakatulong yung song sa kanila and all of that, parang it makes us push more for songs that have meaning talaga.
How has your friendship with Beanie shaped you or transformed you?
Shape you? Kasi sa Beanie po, maraming, iba-iba yung mga personality, iba-iba kami. For me, how I see it is parang naging practice ground, kumbaga. Like, kung paano tayo mag-treat sa isa't isa or paano makipaghalubilo kasi mas intense pa sa, sa outside world.
So I think everyone was able to build like individual personalities na talaga. Na hindi na tayo natatakot makipag-communicate.
It started with you, actually. You started.
Yeah, you're the trendsetter.
You're the starting line.
How can your fellow Beanie members best show up for you to express their care and support at this time of your life?
Ginagawa naman natin yung pag nagsasama-sama tayo. Compared before na pag may tampuhan, hindi nagsasalita or Ngayon naman, parang lahat na tayo mature enough to speak up. Parang nafe-feel ko naman na lahat naman tayo parang willing to listen.
Feeling ko, from the word show up, yung laging kapag may isang ganap, example sa member, tas may ganap, we try our best na isiksik siya sa sked.
Yung yung showtime mo, yung biglaan.
Oh.
May training kami, di ba? Coach, bilisan na natin, coach. Mag-perform na si Gina. Saka yung volleyball ni Mick.
May nakita akong clip, sinahanap tayo ni Mix.
Oo nga.
Oh, Beanie. Wait, totoo ba yun? Where's Beanie? Tapos sabi niya,
Feeling ang daway naman ang
i-edit yung tablo. Sabi niya,
Basta yun yung pinaka, emotional na showing up matters for us.
Oh. Ano ba yan? What gesture of care or generosity have you appreciated from someone in this group? Take a look at them and share what it is. Me, kay Ate Maloy, I appreciate her words of affirmation. Hindi lang yung sa pag-encourage parang sa pag-affirm na, hey, like, I see you improve, or yung mga ganong bagay na pag bino-voice out mo kasi na napapansin siya, parang na-validate yung growth mo as a person. Yes.
Naiyak ako na.
Naku, may bumatay shoot.
A piece of advice you can give to people for a loving and enduring friendship.
Be kind, kasi hindi man mahirap.
Just be real to yourself and sa isa't isa. Kasi yung mga totoong tao din magsistay sila and they will accept you for who you are.
May you always give a very supportive energy and a very endearing one to your friends.
For me, be genuine, tas be open to learn new things. Yeah, give and take.
Ako, accept the constant na change kasi possible yung mangyari kung lalo na pag mahaba na yung friendship nyo.
Ako naman, don't forget to love yourself first before loving others. Kasi importante to love yourself.
Be there for each other. That's it.
Lastly, just keep on loving. Yun lang. Huwag kang matakot magbigay ng pagmamahal. Iba pa rin yung balik nun sa'yo. Yeah, that's it.
Hindi po kami sanay mag-ganto blooms kasi lagi kaming bardahan. Pero thank you. I hope you enjoy this episode.
Once again, we are Beanie! See differently with Baobab! Galing! Ang galing ni Bebe! Ang galing mo na, Bebe!
See you differently with Baobab.
Wow!
Tinapos yung episode!